my depressing music when I'm doing my videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a review and a first impression of some products that were sent to me by Every Strand. So I got basically a little bit of their, well, most of their shea and coconut oil collection. They sent it to me. So thank you guys so much. And basically this is the deep moisture conditioner as well as their deep moisture shampoo. I have their protective leave-in hair treatment, and all these products have shea and coconut oil. So honestly, since I've colored my hair, I have noticed that I am experiencing a little bit more dryness than I'm used to, but that comes with dyeing your hair, especially there being some type of bleach. So these products came just in time for me to really see like how I'm putting enough moisture in my hair, being that now I have colored hair. So today I actually shampooed my hair and conditioned, and I used their deep moisture hair mask. I have it in the plastic because it was one of those little packages, and it left my hair super soft, as you can see. And I also applied the leave-in treatment. A few other products that they sent me were basically some more hair masks. This one is the argan oil with macadamia. It's a hydrating hair mask, also going to be great for me. They gave me the keratin with aloe vera. This one is for chemically treated hair, which I don't have, but I guess with the color, that is some type of chemical. So I'm curious to see how it does in my hair. And I got the aloe vera and coconut water weightless hydration. So the theme here is hydration, which is definitely what I need. So this is perfect. And I also received their shea and coconut oil curling. So if you guys want to see how the product did, just keep watching. I could do a little chit-chatting as I wait for my let me change this lighting a little bit. Yeah, as I deep condition. So can't really see. Okay, so this is what I use, the deep moisture hair mask, and I just put it in a Ziploc because it's one of those little packages. So I put that in my hair all throughout. I have this shower cap on. Probably gonna do a face mask, lounge around a little bit before I take it out. So we'll see, but I'm really excited about some of the other masks that I received. So I got the aloe vera and coconut water hydration one, which I'm really excited about. Since I colored my hair, it needs more hydration, needs more masking, just the maintenance of having color, you know. So they also gave me a keratin one, which was going to help repair damage caused by chemical treatments. Don't have that, but interested in seeing what it does. Yeah. I have this curling cream as well as another hydrating mask with argan oil and macadamia. So I love masking, so this should be really interesting.
No, I'll never forget
Okay, focus, focus, focus. So this is my hair fully dried. Like you can see, I also applied, just because I feel like I needed a little bit of gel. I know what my hair needs, so I will use different products, but I wasn't provided with a gel. I don't know if they carry a gel. I added my go-to, which is the Ouidad Heat and Humidity Gel. Being in Florida, being in a humid climate, this is my lifesaver. This is my go-to. Really keeps my curls hydrated and gives me that definition. So I just applied this like lightly on top of the leave-in, and I diffused it for a little bit, as you can see, and then I kind of am letting it air dry. So it's a little bit damp now, but not damp from water, damp from actual product. But I really love it, and I can't believe my hair has grown so much since I cut it. It's crazy because I recently cut it in my last video. When I did my color, I cut it, but it's grown so quickly. It's crazy. But my hair feels really nice. I love the smell of these products. You guys know how I feel about smells, right? Like, it's not a #1 factor in a hair product for me, but I really can't take if something smells really bad, because I'm gonna be using it and I'm gonna be smelling like it. So this has a hint of vanilla with the coconut oil, and it smells not too overpowering, but still very nice and refreshing. So I really like that. And yeah, these are the results. The curls are really defined. Like I said, it feels nice. So I'm gonna keep trying this product out, see how I feel. But as a first impression, I really like it. Shampooing in the shower, it was already making it more manageable, and that was just from the shampoo, which is very strange because normally sometimes shampoos can like dry you out. But I already felt the moisturizing effects just from the shampoo, much less when I did the conditioner, and definitely with the hair mask. I could feel the difference in my hair. So I'm really liking the results. I really, really like it. A load of mashed potatoes. It is really good. So I actually had to come back on here and really show you the results, because this is my hair fully dried. Well, it's a little damp here in the middle, but definitely more dry, drier than just with the diffuser. And I am really liking it. Like, look at this. Yeah, this was like 3 hours later, which is literally like what happens to my hair. It just gets bigger and bigger. But wow, Love it. It feels super soft. Really, really nice. Really, really nice.